we're being positive about it.
I'm Calista Matrician with your Nittany News Update. It's no surprise that the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted so many people in so many different ways. Today, while we face a change in lifestyle, it's important that we take notice of the ways that our campus and our community have learned to grow and adapt. We'll talk about how Penn State Lehigh Valley has taken initiative in accommodating students towards a particular learning style, give an inside perspective on how solar has developed during the pandemic and has made its way into the Pennsylvania market, and lastly, an update on the Lehigh Valley Amateur Tournament, where local golfers are concluding a series of match play. Before we start, let's take a minute to recognize a true pioneer of gender equality. Ruth Bader Ginsburg became the second female justice of the United States Supreme Court, where she served for 27 years. But this was not without difficulty. Her ability to overcome gender discrimination, fight for what she believed in, and make a difference among inequality serves as both an influence and a reminder that we must carry on her legacy and her vision.
The equal stature of men and women is as fundamental as the other basic human rights: the right to free speech, freedom of religion, freedom of the press, the equal stature of men and women.
The impact of the virus has affected schools all over the world. While trying to keep education a priority to students, we're seeing innovative solutions that school systems are using to adapt to the COVID environment. Two professors at Penn State Lehigh Valley are offering a very interesting class with a very unique setting. The course is called Art in the Natural World, and while students are learning through a blend of art and science, this class is not in your typical classroom or Zoom session. Dr. Elizabeth Flaherty and Dr. Karen Cackley have created an adaptive learning environment where students take part in class outside. They're in their 6th week of class and are exploring the Wildlands Conservancy in Emmaus. On another note, solar power has managed to make its way into the Pennsylvania market, even in the face of a pandemic. Former Penn State Lehigh Valley student Evan Fahs is here to answer a few questions about how solar has overcome challenges during the pandemic and what this expansion means for solar in PA.
I currently work for a firm called SolAmerica Energy. We are a solar developer based in Atlanta, Georgia. And up until the pandemic, I was working in our Westfield, New Jersey office. Obviously, I've been working from home since March. And, I'm probably not going to be going back to work till at least January. But from an industry perspective, there's definitely been some consolidation. Some of the smaller developers don't have the capital to ride out the economic hardship caused by the pandemic. So that we've seen a lot of mergers. There's currently some pending legislation in Pennsylvania that would create a program called community solar. And basically what that would allow is developers to come in and develop a solar project in a community, and then you can subscribe to this local community solar project.
The Lehigh Valley Amateur Tournament is entering its 4th day of local play. After a qualifying match, about 100 out of the 400 golfers still remain. The best score was Nathan Fry, who shot 71. Stay tuned for an update on the results of the championship. That's our Nittany News Update. To learn more about campus news and community events, follow our webpage at nittanynews.lehighvalley.com. I'm Calista Matrician, and have a great day.